Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to control any computer using smartphones. So without any further delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to open any web browser and you need to visit to this website. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click on there and log into this website. Once you log into this website, you can see its web page, and here you can see a download options. So if you're using a Windows computer, then you can download for Windows, and if you're using a Mac computer, then you can download for Macintosh computers. And if you're using an Android devices, then you can click on this Android, and if you're using an iPhone device or the iPad devices which has running iOS operating system, so you can click on here. And even some TV like the Chromecast or a different TV which supports Android too can support this application. So in my opinion, you download for your computer. If it's Windows, then download for Windows, and if it's for Macintosh computer, then download for Macintosh computers. And also if you're using smartphones like Android or iOS, so download respective applications for respective OS. So as I've already downloaded and installed it in my Windows computer as well as in my iPhone devices. You can use in Android too, but here I am showing using my iPhone, but the process will be the same. So you download it and install it. So before proceeding further, let me make you clear that you need to connect on the same Wi-Fi connections even in your computer, also in your smartphones. Both the device should be connected with the same Wi-Fi. You can't use a mobile data or internet connections, but here you need to have a same Wi-Fi internet connections. If you use different Wi-Fi connections, there will be issues of connections. So I'll highly recommend to use the same Wi-Fi connections before proceeding this tutorial. So let's begin. So what you need to do in your computer, you can see here Let's View software. Just double left click it to open or run it in your computer. So you can see its user interface, so you don't need to do anything now. Similarly, in your smartphone, just open that applications. Now in the smartphones, you can see it's written redirect. Just click on it. Now you can see your computer connections available as Let's View Home. Just tap on it. Now here are two options: phone screen mirroring and computer screen mirroring. So what we'll do, we'll choose the computer icon, the below one. Just tap on it, and here you need to click on allow in your computer. Now voila, you can see exactly the same desktop on your computer, and even you can control the mouse. As you can see, I'm controlling from my mobile. Now you can use your mobile devices as a controlling device for your computer. So let me click a start menu. As you can see, I can click the start menu. I can open any software of my computer using my mobile devices. I can just close the program. I can even just right click and left click to enable this refresh too. So you can use and control almost everything just after connecting with these applications. You can use your mobile devices as a handheld device to control your computer. If you're using a Macintosh, also the process will be the same. If you're using a Windows computer, also the process will be the same. And if you're using Android smartphones, also the process will remain the same. So don't worry, as I'm using right now iOS device, that is my iPhone, but the process will be exactly the same. So I don't think that you will face any dissimilarity related to this tutorial. So if you're using a Android, then also you can try the same process, exactly the same. So there will be no any differences, though your operating system may be different. So I think it's a very cool applications that everyone should try it out. When I try it firstly myself also, I'm very glad to see, and I found it very cool, interesting applications, and I feel like sharing with everyone. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please do share with your friends and relatives. They will be glad to know, and it is very helpful in sharing or like demonstrating your mobile screens or computer screens and controlling from wirelessly using your smartphone. So in my opinion, you should definitely try this cool applications in both your computer as well as in your smartphones. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.